In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on your Subaru Crosstrek. This is located under the hood. We're going to pull up on the front of the engine cover to release it out of the grommets. Push the engine cover back to release it from the rear grommets. Set that aside. Next, we're going to release these clips holding the airbox together. One there, and one there. That'll allow us to gain access to the air filter. Hold the back of the box up and remove the air filter. Check inside the airbox for any dirt or debris and clean this out before installing the new air filter. Install the new air filter in reverse order of removing the old one. Slide it into the box and make sure that it's fully seated against the front portion of the box. Bring the back of the airbox to meet the front of the airbox and reattach the clips. To reinstall the engine shield, slide the engine shield forward into these and then press down into the rubber grommets. And that's how to replace the engine air filter on your Subaru Crosstrek. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.